2.
Hey guys, I'm Devin and I'm going to show you how to fold origami Iron Man. Now, you're going to need tape, paper, scissors, a pencil, and a ruler. First, you need to cut 4 squares, then pick up a square. Okay, so you want to draw a line straight down the middle, and then you want to draw another line across. Across it. Then you want to cut out a square where the pencil marks are. Okay. And then you want to fold it like this. Okay, so then here's the body. Then if there are any extra trims on here, you want to cut those off so then it's all even. We don't know how to do it though. Okay, and then you want to put tape on the back of it, where, back here, so then when you're doing it, it will stay, like when you put it in your finger, it'll stay instead of it coming off. Okay, now what you want to do is to cut out a small square. Can be a rectangle, but it has to match up on the piece of paper. Oh yeah, you want to fold the corners at the top. You want to fold those back, so then it kind of looks like a head, like that. Then you want to put tape those, so. So then it looks like this. And then you want to put the mask on, which is the small square, which you fold back again. Then, like I said earlier, any extra trims, you want to cut those off. Like that. Then you want to put tape on that. And that allows the helmet to come up. If you want to do like a face kind, where you can lift the helmet up. Oh, oops, wrong side. There we go. That's one piece. Now the other. Now, when you put glue on there, sometimes your parents could like put it in a basket, then put other stuff on that, and then the mask would come off when you got glue on it. Okay, and then if you're doing that face kind where you lift the mask up, you want to draw a line where the mask ends. So when you lift it up, that separates the head from the body. Okay. Then you want to draw the design. Sometimes you can mess up and get it wrong, and then it won't be even. Draw a line down there, line, line. Wait. There. And now you want to draw either a square or triangle, but I like to draw a circle, so then it represents that it's a new kind, and then I like to make curves on the sides, and then I come down straight like that, so then it gives it more detail on there. Okay. And then you want to flip the mask up and fold it like that, so then it stays up when you're drawing the face. Want to draw the nose, just kind of like a little curve like this. Then draw like little lines on here, maybe about like 4 for Tony's mustache kind of thing. Then you want to draw the eyes of the pupils, or draw the pupils of the eyes. You could make them kind of round and then put a small little dot in them. And then you want to color it. So then it kind of looks like this.